Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 13.3-inch touchscreen spatial for Toyota FJ Cruiser 27 to 2021 year. Okay, let me review. You can check this front UI, and it comes with a special harness and radio antenna. This special harness comes with the head unit together. Plug and play. Okay. You can check this front and built microphone, their microphone and reset hole, and this knob. Okay, settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can connect to us. You can choose the Belsee. Also change the logo Toyota. Okay, change and change this color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Red. Let me choose Belsee back. Okay, all apps are here. It's built in the Bluetooth and Google Maps, YouTube, Play Store. You can download the applications from it. Okay, let me check the original. This music. It's Linux 5 for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Linux 5 built-in. And settings. Let me check settings. Is Wi-Fi already connected to Wi-Fi? You can check and. This is our website, belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. This latest item. Okay, it's a very big screen like the computer, because it has almost 14-inch. Okay, Wi-Fi and settings. This display. Sound. General. AC information, parking, and other information. This is original. Door display, temperature, reserving, radar system, front radar, steering wheel controls. Reversing camera radar settings. Voice. Total 128 GB storage. this AC information, you can adjust this panel and adjust AC is for AC information. This same style. You can choose their different theme style. You can download and install. And with setting stereo controls, Play Store, boot. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. You can enable Bluetooth from your phone. Enable Bluetooth. You can check this phone 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 phone screen size. Your phone will get message. You can check the password for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Click pair. Okay, already connected. Pair successful. You can check, and you can make free phone call. Okay, it work with free phone call and streaming music from your phone. You can control your steering wheel buttons. Okay, it's Bluetooth and streaming. This is streaming music from your phone. It's back, and let me show music. USB. Random DSP amplifier. This bass control. Okay. And DSP. This video. USB no video. this video settings. Okay. And this file manage. This is the link file for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com to contact us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.